Hey guys, and welcome back to Super Bay. In this video, we're going to be talking about how I think the Falcon and the Winter Soldier TV show is going to start and how it's going to end. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. I post every day on this channel. And yeah, let's head right into this video. So after Endgame, we know that Bucky and the Falcon went off onto missions, and that's where the Falcon and the Winter Soldier will take off. And they will be going on missions, completing it. Everything will be going fine. It's gonna start off like WandaVision. Everything is going fine. But then everything suddenly goes down. So we know that in Endgame, Captain America gave Falcon his shield, but in the trailer it looks like he's using it, but he's not fully trained, so he doesn't know how to throw it, stuff like that. So we know that Zemo is going to be playing a big part in Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and is probably going to be the main villain for it. And it looks like he doesn't want superheroes to exist in the world, so he's making this kind of cult or society so they can all kill them, and when that's done, they're just gonna go back to their regular lives. But I don't think this will ever happen. The superheroes are forever. But do you guys see the scene here where they're celebrating Captain America? Well, this is where the entire storyline is going to start for me. So we know that Zemo hates superheroes or just people with special abilities like mutants from the X-Men, and he's gonna come to this Captain America festival, just stand there, and he's gonna get the initiative, and his cult is gonna start wrecking everything, scare the people off, probably give a big speech and why they should not like superheroes. I mean, they're probably gonna talk about Scarlet Witch, what she did in Lagos, and how superheroes should be terminated and kept out of this world. And so all the people are gonna start running away. Falcon and Bucky are gonna notice, and eventually they're gonna try to do something, but all their methods just fail. And so Falcon is going to eventually start using the shield more, practicing how to use it, become as good as Captain America. Not as good, but just good with the shield, how to use it, how to throw it. And Bucky is going to mentor him, teach him, and show him how to use it. And they're gonna try to get help from Shannon Carter, Peggy's future niece, and they're gonna try to get help from her, but she's just gonna keep denying it. No. But eventually she will, and eventually they will go up against this civilization or cult, and the superheroes always win, so they're probably gonna win. Just don't count Infinity War. They did that because it's a 2-part story, so just don't count Infinity War. But the superheroes always win, and that's how I think that it's gonna end. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I post every day on this channel. And yeah, I am inevitable. Bye.
We would be honored if you would join us.